One of our New Year resolutions is to have thick, healthy hair. Yes, and I'm going to show you. Hi babes, my name is Lydia. Welcome to this channel. Today I'm giving you a hair growth recipe you can use on your hair at any time on your hair. It's going to help you reduce breakage, it's going to reduce dandruff, it's going to promote hair growth, and it's also most importantly going to give you a healthy scalp. We'll be using fenugreek and black seed. Yes, black seed is some of the ingredients that I love so much. Yes, they are very good for the hair. They promote hair growth, they're able to thicken the hair, and they're able to give you a healthy scalp. We all know that hair growth starts from the scalp, and if you have a healthy scalp, your hair is going to grow beautifully. So I'm using a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and then a tablespoon of black seeds into a container. I always emphasize on using just a little water because you can always make this at any time in the day, any time in your life. You don't need to make so much and then it will have to go bad later or something. Yeah. So I added hot water and allowed it to infuse for a while, for about 30 minutes, so that I can get the nutrients from the black seed and also from the fenugreek seeds. After 30 minutes, here's the result. You can tell that there's a color difference between how it was before and how it is now. Yes, so this is the time to strain and then start using on your hair. If you have issues with breakage, if you are not really growing your hair is breaking too much, you've been natural for long and you are still not seeing any improvement, this is the treatment for you. It's going to help you thicken your hair, it's going to grow your hair, especially with the fenugreek seeds. If you have dandruff, it's going to help reduce or finally eliminate the dandruff if you use it consistently for a long time. Yes, so you can see that I made just a little, like you can tell I'm focusing on the quantity, just a little, so that I can be able to use it for a week only. I can use it on my scalp morning and evening for a week only, so that I don't have to do too much and then it will have to go bad. Please do well to oil your scalp after you go in with the spray because it can dry your scalp if you don't go in with an oil. So I'm emphasizing on oiling your scalp after you finish. You can also add a few drops of your favorite hair growth oil, which I have a lot of videos on this page. This is my hair care brand. Then you can add a few drops, let's say 4 or 5 drops to it. Shake it well before you spray it. With this, you don't really need to oil your scalp because this is already moisturized. But with something like this, if you're not careful, you're going to clog your pores, so you don't have to use it every day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.